It's nothing new, but it's so good to see.
Hello friends, it's been so long since I have vlogged and I am so excited to be vlogging today. 2020 has been a crazy year. I'm sure you all are aware of that by now. The last few months I have just been going through some things personally and just working through stuff. I am just so excited to be back making videos. This is what I love to do. It's something I have so much fun doing. So I thought today would be a great day to vlog. Today our plans are so fun. I am going to be undecorating the house for fall and getting it ready for Christmas decorating, which is going to be a video coming up very soon. I'm also going to be DIY flocking a Christmas tree, so we're going to see how that goes. I'm also going to be making some butternut squash soup to celebrate the last day of fall and some homemade focaccia bread. So excited, you guys. Today is just going to be great. It's already noon. I had work this morning, so I got up early, got my work done so that I could come home and get started on this vlog. So it's kind of like my unofficial last day of fall vlog. We're just going to make it really fun. We're going to be doing some deep cleaning. So if you're interested, just keep watching.
Okay guys, so now we are making dinner. I actually ended up not really getting as much done today as I was hoping because I took some medication that reacted with another medication I just started, and I basically was knocked out for 5 hours. So today didn't really go as planned, but we're still gonna make the best of it. Obviously I'm just cutting up the butternut squash and cleaning it out. And it was really nice. I got this butternut squash for free, so I was really thankful for that. Some butter, salt, and pepper on those. And then they went in the oven and roasted for an hour, and then I started the bread while those were roasting. So here I'm just doing sugar and then yeast, and I'll also add in some hot water, stir that up, and let it sit for I think 15 minutes. I'll have the recipes down below if you want to ever make these recipes. And then I went ahead and started the bread.
Oh my, I literally forgot the two most important ingredients.
And every time that you walk through the door, I'm hit by the same old side.
So after that mishap, I went ahead and put the bread to prove in the dryer. So I turned the dryer on for about 5 minutes, turned it off, and put the bread in there so that it was in a warm place to prove. And now I'm going to continue making the butternut squash soup by chopping up some apples and some onions.
smells so good. Like, I don't think you would think apples and onions smell so good. Delicious. The bread has doubled in size. Dryer worked perfectly and smells so good.
So this is actually my first time making focaccia bread, and I really loved this bread, so I would highly recommend it. And it was very easy to make. So I just put some oil in the pan, and now plopping the bread in, and you just want to gently spread it out to the sides of your 9x13 casserole pan. And I actually didn't show everything, but then after this I let it sit for a while, and then you just poke little holes in it and top it with whatever you'd like to top it with. And it turned out really delicious.
2 a.m. in the car playing our favorite song.
But now I am pureeing the soup. I basically let the squash, apples, onions, and a few other things simmer for a while, and now I'm pureeing it in my whatever this is called that I can't remember at the current moment.
The moon is bright, let's have some fun. Oh, this is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go.
I think I might have overflowed it a little bit.
Calling sick in the morning.
So we have the focaccia bread out of the oven. It's so nice and golden. Looks delicious. So we're gonna try it now.
They say we're crazy, it's too much. And yeah, we're crazy, deep in love. Oh, this is everything with you right next.
Okay, so we're gonna try it now. See if you like it. It's good.
Not bad.
Maybe some salt. It's not my favorite.
It doesn't taste bad. It's just a bit bland.
Yeah,
Now the bread, I'm really excited for.
it's really hot. Is it a bit overproofed or something? Whatever it is. The flavor of that,
This is really good.
so good.
Is this your first try at homemade bread?
I made bread once for like a science experiment.
In high school?
Elementary.
So this is your first time making bread? Basically.
Yeah. Okay, so let's rate it. 1 to 5 stars.
Bread's up there. Oh,
I give the bread
1 to
like
5?
Yeah, like stars.
Bread gets a 4, soup gets a 2.
Nah, the soup isn't up there with me. I'm so sorry.
Can you see our dog? Maui.
I hope they can see her. That should be.
Maui, are you on your perch?
She thinks she's gonna get
You think
some.
you're gonna get some food?
Oh.
Uh-oh. Hiccups have started.
I don't have anything for you. There's nothing in my hand. I'm sorry, you have food in your bowl.
She was hoping that a high five would get her some food.
You wouldn't like this. You don't like it at all, do you? You can't even eat it.
It's great.
I feel bad.
So now it's the next day and I am DIY flocking my Christmas tree from last year because we're gonna have 2 Christmas trees this year and I wanted them both to be flocked. Shout out to my friend Aleta for this great idea. She has a channel and I'll link it down below. So basically I just spray the branches with water and then I use a mesh strainer with this snow flock I bought, and you just kind of have to wiggle it over the branches until it sticks and then you spray it again. So to flock the tree, it actually took me like 2 hours. Quite a long time, but I got a desired look that I was looking for. I could have spent way longer and made it like super flocked like the ones you would buy in the store, but I was happy with it just being a little bit flocked, and it was a fun thing to do, really satisfying to know that you can do it yourself. So if you would like a cheaper option to get a flocked tree, here is one for you. I will link the snow flock I used down below. It was the cheapest one I could find that seemed like it would give a good result. So this is what it looks like when it's done, just slightly snowy. I packed up all of our fall decorations and the house is completely empty and ready for Christmas decor, which is going to be in the next video. So make sure you guys stay tuned and I can't wait to share it with you. I will see you next time.